Snoop Dogg. Jonathan Benoji. Gonna be talking about day trading. Holla. You're like, is Fibonacci really wearing that hat? Holy shit, that looks like. What's up? Holla. Okay, there you go. PCH. Okay, I'm gonna make these more professional in the future. I'm gonna talk about day trading. Holla. Okay, seriously, I'm gonna make these a little bit more professional. There I am, dad. Nature lover, dad, stock trader, teacher, book reader, canvas advocate, hashtag MRA, photographer, newbie comic, I love life, day trading instruction. Here you go, it's right here. Gotta get rid of Snoop Dogg. Boom. Did you see this on my Twitter? You have no idea what's in there. Boom. There's like 20 years of experience. Boom, stable, boom. Here's another image of Elliott wave occurring naturally. That's on the San Francisco Bay Bridge, excuse me, the Golden Gate Bridge. There you go, boom. Like I said, I'm gonna make these videos really, really professional in the future. You might wanna hire me to be your day trading coach. We're gonna talk about shorting stocks. How do we short stocks? Well, let's talk about double G. Holla. How do we do it? Okay, remember, it's real important, that index card. In fact, go ahead and email me, Americano417@gmail.com. It's all right, Fibonacci. I want to short stocks. I want to make money. How do we do it? I want you to send me your index card. I'm going to pay you $85 plus $4 and $20 in shipping and handling. Right there, for real. This is really, really important. Here we go, money on my mind. Now I got an email. Let me show it to you in real life. Boom. Now what I'm doing is I'm truncating the Elliott wave in kind of a comedic, hopefully educational way. Boom, stable, boom. There you go. There's a lot to that pattern. Notice double G. How can I teach when you're all in my Fibonacci? You're like, what's up, Fibonacci? You need to be a rapper. You need to be and go to San Francisco and be, okay, be a teacher. Be UCLA and a baller. Okay, boom. So here we go. We're going to talk about trading and shorting and why that's important. Man, do that as an intro. Jonathan Benoji. Boom. Here we go. I got a question on my YouTube channel over the weekend about shorting a stock and opening and closing. You can go watch my videos there where I'm talking about when you're shorting, you are opening with a sell and closing with a buy. Whereas when you're going long or when you're making money when the market's going up, you're buying low, selling high, or buying to an open, selling to a close. So get into the habit, day traders, to think in terms of opening and closing a position. So for example, if you're long, you might say I opened a position at $4, I closed it at $8. So I made a $4 profit, however many shares you have, there you go. Shorting's the same way. You catch that delta, you're just selling and then you're buying. It's counterintuitive, so just think of shorting. Well, now that you know what shorting is, what do you do there? How can Fibonacci help you? Well, if you're like me and you've studied Elliott wave and you've studied not just do stocks go down, but they go down in a pattern. Learning that pattern, that's where you make money, because then you're cooperating with the market. So what is the pattern? Well, that pattern is specifically or technically a Fibonacci-based Elliott wave theory called Elliott wave, and that short that I like the most is the 5C. 5C, and you can go watch my videos on Elliott wave, and I could teach you about the different waves. There's wave 1 in Elliott wave. There's wave 2. There's epic 3. There's 4. Holy shit, 4. The 4 bitch. The fourth wave is where you really, really need to hire me and at least take a one-day online seminar or kind of a remote seminar. We could talk about the pricing later, but really learning about the 4th phase and then the 5th phase. After the 5th phase, which could be majestic, there's a 5C. The 5C is the short phase, and then it starts all over again. So here's an example in real life. But to keep these videos short, hopefully a little entertaining, think in terms of boom, stable, boom. Or a stock will go down, then it'll go down a lot more, then it'll go down a little bit more, and then there's the holla. It looks like that. Now remember, these are fractals. These are fractals. So every 5C, the pattern is the same, but they look different. And learning how to trade that, because when you start trading 20, 30, 40, 50,000 shares, you can't afford to be wrong a quarter of a point. So that's where Elliott Wave really, really comes into handy. And that's where I, in my experience, can really help you to be a part of your firm, to be a part of your private equity situation, whether you're a firm or an individual, and say, all right, Fibonacci, we make money when we trade the market. We saw your videos. Email me, Americano417@gmail.com. Money in my mind, 5C, pattern day trading, Fibonacci is out. You guys be good. Double G. And remember, the cool thing about trading is that you'll see it in music. You'll hear it in music, rather. You'll see it. One reason why I like photography. See that? Even watching a Thailand-based cargo ship, you can see that the patterns of 1, 2s, 3s, and 4s. And that's when you know you've been studying the markets for 20 years. When you start seeing Elliott Wave and nature and you hear it in music. Well, it's found everywhere. You guys be good. Email me your thoughts, questions, Americano417@gmail.com. If you're a trader, you want to get better at trading. If you have a specific trading question, just wrap $100 around a PayPal link and then send me a link and I'll answer your specific question. Because if you're really trading high volumes, you really, really need kind of a coach, a partner, someone that's going to really look at your positions, especially if you're doing overnight positions. So email me your thoughts, your questions, Americano417@gmail.com.